찾아봐 baby 내가 제일 좋아하는 건 여름
Good day everyone, so we are the group 5 and I'm Leila Joyce Riviran introducing you to our topic which is combination of all three algorithm operation. First, let's explain what is algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step method for accomplishing some task, set of instruction designed to perform a specific task. So basically, algorithm daw is a sequence of computer instruction para mag-come up ka dun sa gusto mong output. Next is sequential operations, conditional operations, and iterative operations. These three are under control structure, which are considered as the building blocks of computer programs. These are the commands that allows a program to make decisions. So, in creating a program, you should have a great knowledge about control structure kasi siya yung magiging parang gabay mo para mas mabuo mo ng maayos yung program na gusto mo. And i-program daw, you should not limit yourself in using one operation because you can use both and you can use all of them at the same time para mas makuha mo yung gusto mong output or mas ma-perform ng maayos yung task mo. So to further elaborate control structures and the combination of all three algorithm operation, we have our reporters.
Good day everyone, my name is Laika Arapok and the topic that was assigned to me is sequential operation. But first, what is an operation? It is a data processing in which the result is completely specified by a rule, especially the processing that results from a single instruction. It can perform a millions of operations per second. Sequential operation, the sequential execution of operation one after another consecutive operation. It is an algorithm that is a step-by-step process and the order of those are very crucial to ensuring the correctness of an algorithm. So, ang sequential operation, ito yung pinaka-basic na algorithm. It is a set of logical steps carried out in order. Kasi ang computer, kailangan nila na instructions na in a form of an algorithm para ma-complete yung desired task. Kasi kapag mali yung sequence or yung pagkasunod-sunod, hindi makukuha yung ninanais na results sa program. There are three basic sequential operation: computation, input, and output. Importante itong sequential operation kasi ito yung most foundational concept sa programming.
Hello everyone, my name is Laramie P. Nalika and I'm here to discuss with you the conditional operations. Ano ang conditional operations? Conditional operations, ito ay nagpe-perform ng different computation depende kung anong language gamit mo sa paggawa ng program. Merong tatlong construction ito or three expressions. Expression 1, 2, and 3. Kapag ang sagot mo sa expression 1 ay true, mag-a-appear ang sagot mo sa expression 2. While kapag ang sagot mo sa expression 1 ay false, mag-a-appear ang sagot mo sa expression 3 pag false ang sagot mo. Conditional operations. Conditional operators are used to evaluate a condition that's applied to one or two Boolean expression. Boolean is used to present logical propositions, especially in computer and electronics. The result of the evaluation is either true or false, and logical and logical OR operators both take two operands. The logical AND condition returns true. If both operands are otherwise, it returns false. And logical OR condition returns false. If both operands are false otherwise, it returns true. So, bakit nga ba ito mahalaga? Mahalaga to kasi ang conditional operations ang magdedetermine sa sagot mo kung ito ay tama o mali.
Good day everyone, I am Satya Trixer-Karin and I was assigned to discuss this topic which is iterative operations. So what is iterative operations? An operation that requires successive execution of instructions or process. In other words, this operation needs an success execution of the instructions. wherein there's no interruption. Iteration is defined as the act or processes of repeating. Perform looping behavior. Repeating action until a continuation condition becomes false. So the continuation condition should become false. It repeats until it becomes false. Loop. The repetition of a block of instructions. So loop is like iteration, but the repetition is the block of instructions. Components of a loop. Continuation condition. So what is continuation condition? It is executed before each execution of the loop, including the first execution. And the loop ends when this condition is false. Loop body. So what is loop body? In loop body executes the sequence of statements many times until the condition becomes false. So the loop body it repeats the sequence until the condition becomes false. Infinite loop. The continuation condition never becomes false. So here in infinite loop, it's the opposite of the like loop body, because the continuation condition here it never becomes false. Pre-test loop. Continuation condition tested at the beginning of each pass through the loop. So here in pre-test loop, the continuation condition is tested at the beginning. Post-test loop. Continuation condition tested at the end of loop body. So the post-test loop, it is the opposite of pre-test. The continuation condition tested at the end of loop body.
Hello everyone, this is Ronald Nader for the combination of three algorithmic operations. Control constructs allow algorithmic steps to be represented in a convenient yet unambiguous way. Algorithms require constructs that perform sequential processing, selection for decision making, and iteration for repetitive control. As long as the language provides these basic statements, it can be used for algorithm representation. Sequencing, selection, and iteration are very rarely used independently. This is because to actually create something of value, you need to combine them to perform some kind of operation. Algorithms are developed in order to solve a problem or accomplish a task. If we grasp the three concepts of operation of algorithm, we will be able to use easy set of instruction for hard tasks. Example na pwede nating gamitin yung combination ng three algorithmic operation is yung program sa paggawa ng password. Isipin natin yung program sa password, yung password na tinatype natin sa mga social media accounts natin, ganun. Pag ginawa natin siya ng algorithm, pwede nating i-apply yung tatlong operation sa pamamagitan ng algorithm na yun. Una, yung sequence, yung conditional, tsaka yung iteration. Sa sequence kasi syempre, may susundang sequence o pattern yung program o yung algorithm niya, step by step. Sunod yung conditional, kasi sa password na yon, syempre pag mali yung na-type natin na password, mag-error siya at uulit sa simula yung program. Paulit-ulit lang siya hanggat hindi na a-achieve yung condition, which is yung tamang password. Sa iteration, yun nga yung pag-uulit ng program or yung looping sa flowchart. Mauulit yun ng mauulit hanggang sa mag-true o ma-achieve na ng program yung goal. So bilang programmer or engineer, we should create or think of a solution that will make those hard tasks easy. Pero hindi natin magagawa yun kung sa algorithm pa lang is may problema na or komplikado na.
Good morning, everyone. This is Monica, and I'm going to explain to you the example of the combination of algorithms. So here in step 1, we're going to start, and then in step 2, we're going to initialize variables, where the variables are the name, memory, location of the values. Then the for condition, we will going to write the condition using if-else statements. And then we'll go to step 4, where if the condition is true, we'll proceed to step 5, where we are going to print the values and then increment the value of I by 1. But if the condition is false, we'll proceed to the step 7, which it says go to step 3. We'll go back to our condition, and then we're going to check it. If condition is true, then stop.
Why do we need to use different operations in programming? Kasi 'di ba, in programming, you will face different situations, and different situation requires different operations. Why? Kasi different operations have different functions din. So, pwede mong gamitin yung isang operation sa situation number 1 mo, pero pwedeng hindi siya applicable sa situation number 2. So, ang gagawin mo para mag-come up ka dun sa output na gusto mo, o para mas ma-perform mo yung isang task na gusto mo, is magpapalit ka ng ibang operation. Pero sabi, or according to what we have researched, operations can be used independently, pero sobrang bihira niya lang. So, if you want to create a program, you might consider using 2 or more operations para mas maging maayos yung takbo ng program mo.
지금처럼 만만만만만 있어주면 난난난난난 바랄 게 없으니 넌 아무도 바꾸지 만만만만만 아무 걱정 만만만만만만 너의 모든 게 다다다다 다 좋으니까 너는 아무